Namaha Sarvahita Namaskaram. Hi, hi, my dear brothers and sisters of the world. I'm Pintu Mahakul from India, greeting you in this serene day. Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fine, very fine. My dear brothers and sisters, uh, uh, this day is very much cloudy and rainy. From last few days, it is raining here due to low pressure. My dear brothers and sisters, you can you can feel the wonder. Uh, just uh, just I am with in this rainy night after day. The day has arrived, but it may not be possible today to see the sunrise because the weather is very much cloudy. It is continuously raining. I'm just having here holy bath in this rain water, wonderful water. God has granted us many things. God has God has granted us this peaceful rainy day. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, you can, you can, you can just feel me. How am I? How am I just wet in the rainy water? I'm having my holy bath here. Morning journey has started. Entirely, I'm just feeling looking at the street. Oh my dear brothers and sisters, how are you? Are you feeling this wonder? Rain is just continuously dripping the drops on my face. I'm just feeling the tender movements of life. Street is entirely street is just you can see and feel. My God, having the holy bath in this pure and pure rain water. I'm just feeling very much fortunate. This opportunity is given by our God. Entirely, we can see. I'm just showing you the street is uh, uh, the lonely street is full of wonder. Oh my dear brothers and sisters, in this cloudy day, in this cloudy weather, I'm here to gossip with you. Your birds are also chirping, but because of the natural music of rain, we just wanna perceive everything here because God is granting us peace, bliss, happiness, everything. God is granting us this holy bath because this is the time of morning, and at this morning time we'll offer our prayer. O dear God, O dear merciful Father, you are just dropping down every raindrop on us as your holy grace. Your grace is very much holy. Holy raindrops are entering inside of our brain. We are perceiving the tenderness of this particular morning in a spectacular way. Just having life in this uh, uh, field perception. We are we are just wonderfully noticing this rain. Coconut trees are standing tall to greet our God at this morning. Every person is moving in the lonely street who is willing to pass the rain, and entirely in this particular being, rain has brought the golden opportunity to offer the prayer of our morning. At this morning, we are offering our prayer to our God. O our merciful Father of heaven, as the day of celebration is coming, we are feeling your coming through your positive vibration you have sent through this every raindrop. Holy water, holy water is singing your song. We are hearing the natural music of this morning. Last midnight also we are listening to your music, natural music. No music can be compared with the natural music of this rain. I love. People love. People love to wait in the rain. This water, this holy water. Having bath in this holy water, I'm entirely feeling that I'm very much fortunate. Oh dear God, being your child, I'm feeling your every tender vibration here. Just sing to those coconut trees, how they are standing tall. They are growing taller and taller to feel your positive and to feel and your to perceive your power, your greatest power, because no one can be compared with you. At this moment, we are realizing, feeling every tender perception has brought each and every moment for us as golden moment. Every moment is written here. Oh my dear God, oh dear golden Father, greenness is just growing time to time after gaining the rainwater. Rainwater has brought the golden opportunity for every creature, trees, plant, every, every all the trees are singing here for morning. Then I have shown you the coconut trees are also singing, standing here. Oh my dear God, golden opportunity you have brought for us at this morning time. We are just feeling our tender tune is hot. Oof, holy bath. This bath is holy bath in the rain water. I'm just feeling entirely at morning time. At this morning, I'm having my holy bath in this rain water. Do you wanna have? Do you wanna? Oh my dear brothers and sisters, you can feel. You can feel whenever we will go outside and you will have your holy bath in rain, in rainwater. Cloud will pour water on you, drop by drop, drop by drop. Then you will hear the natural music. Then you will sing and you will dance in cheerfulness. God has brought this opportunity and we thank because God is our greatest Father. He is making this holy bath. By His grace we are having water. Rain, rain has come by His grace to mumble and sing God's song. Thank you very much, my dear brothers and sisters. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye bye. Namaskaram. Namaha Sarvahitaya.